Hey there, makeup mavens! Are you tired of struggling with uneven makeup blending? Fret not, because today I've got you covered with the ultimate solution, the best blending brushes on the market. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or a pro artist, finding the perfect blending brush can make all the difference in achieving that flawless finish. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of blending brushes. At number 1 position, we have Real Techniques Blending Brush. Dive into seamless makeup application with the Real Techniques Blending Brush. Crafted with ultra-soft synthetic bristles, this brush promises to blend your makeup effortlessly for a flawless finish every time. Key features: the Real Techniques. Blending brush features densely packed bristles that ensure smooth and even application. Its tapered design allows for precise blending in hard-to-reach areas, while the ergonomic handle offers maximum control and comfort. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to harsh lines and streaks as this brush effortlessly diffuses your favorite cream or powder products. Whether you're blending out your foundation, concealer, or contour, this versatile brush is your go-to tool for achieving a seamless complexion. Usability. Suitable for both beginners and makeup pros, the Real Techniques. Blending brush is easy to use and delivers professional results with minimal effort. Simply dip the brush into your desired product and blend in gentle, circular motions for a flawless finish. Durability. Built to last, this high-quality blending brush is cruelty-free and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting performance and hygiene. With proper care, it will become a staple in your makeup arsenal for years to come. Moving on to the next at number 2 with e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Elevate your makeup game with the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Designed to deliver flawless results, this brush boasts a unique shape and ultra-soft bristles that blend seamlessly for a professional finish. Key features: the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush features a dome-shaped head that fits perfectly into the contours of your face, making it ideal for blending foundation, blush, and bronzer. Its synthetic bristles are cruelty-free and gentle on the skin, ensuring a smooth and even application every time. Benefits and usage. Achieve a natural-looking complexion with ease using this versatile brush. Whether you prefer a sheer or full coverage, this brush allows you to build up your makeup effortlessly for a flawless finish. Simply dab and blend for a seamless look that lasts all day. Usability. Perfect for both beginners and experienced makeup artists, the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush is easy to use and delivers professional results with minimal effort. Its ergonomic handle provides optimal control and comfort, making it a must-have tool in your makeup collection. Durability. Made with high-quality materials, this blending brush is built to last. Easy to clean and maintain, it will remain a staple in your beauty routine for years to come, ensuring flawless makeup application every time. The number 3 position is held by BESTOPE Pro Blending Brush Set. Elevate your makeup routine with the BESTOPE Pro Blending Brush Set. Featuring a collection of versatile brushes, this set has everything you need to achieve a flawless complexion with ease. Key features. The BESTOPE Pro Blending Brush Set includes a variety of brushes for all your makeup needs, from blending out foundation to sculpting the perfect contour. Each brush is crafted with ultra-soft synthetic bristles that pick up and distribute product evenly for a seamless finish. Benefits and usage. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, this brush set has you covered. Achieve a flawless complexion with ease using these versatile brushes, which are perfect for blending, buffing, and contouring. Simply use them with your favorite cream or powder products for professional-looking results every time. Usability. Designed for ease of use, the BESTOPE Pro Blending Brush Set is suitable for beginners and experienced makeup artists alike. The brushes are lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing for precise application and seamless blending. Durability. Made with high-quality materials, these brushes are built to last. With proper care and maintenance, they will remain a staple in your makeup collection for years to come, ensuring flawless results with every use. Next, at number 4, we have EcoTools, Blending Brush Kit. Embrace eco-friendly beauty with the EcoTools Blending Brush Kit. Crafted with sustainable materials, these brushes deliver professional results while minimizing environmental impact. Key features. The EcoTools Blending Brush Kit includes a selection of brushes designed for seamless makeup application. Each brush features cruelty-free bristles made from recycled materials, making them an eco-conscious choice for makeup lovers. Benefits and usage. Achieve a flawless complexion while reducing your carbon footprint with these eco-friendly brushes. Whether you're blending out foundation, concealer, or powder, these brushes offer smooth and even application for a natural-looking finish. Usability. Easy to use and versatile, the EcoTools Blending Brush Kit is suitable for all skill levels. The brushes are lightweight and comfortable to hold, making them perfect for everyday use. Simply use them with your favorite makeup products for professional-looking results. Durability. Built to last, these brushes are designed to withstand regular use and frequent washing. With proper care, they will remain in pristine condition for years to come, allowing you to enjoy flawless makeup application without compromising on sustainability. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by MODA Makeup Brush Set. Unleash your creativity with the MODA Makeup Brush Set. Featuring a stunning collection of brushes, this set is perfect for creating endless makeup looks with ease. Key features. The MODA Makeup Brush Set includes a variety of brushes for every step of your makeup routine, from applying foundation to blending out eyeshadow. Each brush is crafted with ultra-soft synthetic bristles that pick up and distribute product evenly for flawless results. Benefits and usage. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or a professional artist, this brush set has something for everyone. Create a flawless complexion, sculpted contours, and mesmerizing eye looks with ease using these versatile brushes. Simply use them with your favorite makeup products for effortless application and blending. Usability. Designed for maximum versatility and ease of use, the MODA Makeup Brush Set is suitable for all skill levels. The brushes are lightweight and comfortable to hold, allowing for precise application and seamless blending. Durability. Made with high-quality materials, these brushes are built to last. With proper care and maintenance, they will remain a staple in your makeup collection for years to come, ensuring flawless results with every use. And there you have it, folks. The 5 best blending brushes for achieving flawless makeup looks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these brushes are sure to elevate your makeup game and help you achieve the flawless finish you've always dreamed of. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your makeup arsenal today and unleash your creativity with these must-have blending brushes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous!